Today I want to explain cleaning your crystals by smudging them. When you're smudging, it is not the fire that is most important, it is the smoke that is most important, and the smoke that cleans your crystals. So of course, when you're cleaning the crystals, you need to light it on fire. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Can you see the smoke? Yay! All right, so we're gonna put this down, and we're just gonna get really quiet. Just like we did with the salt water, you need to be quiet and ready to meditate and ready to just be quiet so that you can clear your crystals. So I'm going to get myself quiet. And then I'm going to take the crystal and I'm just going to hold it in the smoke. And there you go. That's how you clean your crystals. Do it with a clean mind, a clear mind. And while you're cleaning it, think about it getting clean. And meditate on the cleaning of the crystal. I can actually feel it getting colder in my hand. The colder it gets, the cleaner it is. You can clean a lot of crystals all at the same time. That's how you clean it with smudge. Don't forget, follow Crescent Cast. Bye.